I'm so excited to eat my donut.
Me too.
We should go play outside after we eat.
Yeah, it is nice outside. Let's go open the door.
Did you see the size of that bee? Check to see if it's still out there.
Yep, it's still out there.
What do we do now?
Looks like we gotta wait. Do you hear that? That's a really loud bee.
I know, right?
Wait. I don't hear him anymore.
I don't either.
I'm gonna go check if it's clear.
It's clear.
What?
The bee ate my donut.
That one bee almost ate all the donuts.
Well, that was the fat bee.
Well, at least it left some for me. Ha ha. Ow! That bee stung my tongue.
Are you allergic to bees?
Oh, it seems so. My tongue feels swollen. Is it swollen?
Not too bad.
Hey guys, did that big fat bee eat all the donuts by itself? Let us know in the comments. Check out the videos on the side or in the playlist in the description below. And we got a cool new logo, but it's still the exact same Extreme Toys. Like our Facebook page, and as usual, like and subscribe!